What's all the commotion in the hen house, Gigi? What's all the commotion? Oh, good Lord. Somebody's in labor. What do you think, Gigi? Oh. Hi, Miss Red. Your sister having one in there? Oh, yeah. She's still in there, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, Cream Puff, are you worried about all your girls? Aw, it's okay. It's okay, buddy. Oh, boy. Oh, Cream Puff.
So she was just laying an egg. Now let's see. Oh. They're cloning now. That one's laying an egg. Right there. So she has just laid her egg. And now she's looking around. And this red's in this nesting box, maybe gonna lay an egg soon. And this red's in her box, and she just laid an egg. I think she's making a nest. And this right here is a fake egg. Hopefully their eggs will get this big.
What kind of egg do you got?
So you just got an egg.
Holy smokes! What the heck kind of an egg is that? We thought we were getting a peewee. Apparently, I don't know what you would call this kind. Well,
Hot dog.
it's a hot dog egg. What do you think, girls? Yeah, we're getting eggs. Yeah. Oh, cool, buddy. Awesome.
67 grams.
Wow. That's twice the size of your ones from yesterday. That's a big
So
egg.
that means we are extra large.
Ooh, you went from peewee to extra large in 24 hours. You have some awesome hens. All right.
Okay, so today we're gonna open these two eggs. The super long one, which weighs, I think, 67 grams, and this one weighs like 38, I think. This one is most likely gonna be a double yolk. Let's see. Look at it.
Aww, look at that little thing. Aww, little peewee yolk. It's about the size of maybe, what do you think, a quarter?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's at the size of a quarter.
Okay. Let's open it. It's a double yolk.
Sam! Oh my gosh, the third egg you've ever had, and it was a double yolk. Whoa! Dude, how cool is that?
That's awesome.
Max, how cool is that?
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our three beautiful eggs, or technically two. Now let's put them in. There we go.
Nice.
And now I'm flipping the eggs.
Look at that, Chef Sam. He's a pro at cooking up eggs, and now he's got freshest eggs you can find, huh?
Like an hour old.
Those egg yolks are like super orange. That's awesome. Nice job, Chef Sam. All right.
Okay, so it is time to try the eggs.
All right, Sam. Let's see how they taste. Yeah. So your hens are laying some pretty healthy and tasty
Yeah.
eggs, huh? How's the yolk?
Well, let's see. This is the first egg that was laid.
This is Pee-wee.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Does it taste different from the store-bought eggs?
Definitely.
Yeah. How does it taste different?
It tastes different, but good.
Okay. Is it got like a richer taste to it?
Definitely.
More flavor?
Mhm.
All right. Good job there, Sam.